Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm just chilling around the house today. Got on what I wear around the house. So today I'll be making some air fryer chicken in my Cosori 5.8 quart air fryer. And somebody asked me, did the Power XL air fryer work? Yes, it works. This is what Walter uses. Okay, he knows how to work that one very well. So I've already washed and prepared my chicken wing pieces and vacuum sealed them. And they were frozen, so I thawed them out. So I'm going to bread these wings. So I'll be using some Kentucky Kernel seasoned flour. And this is good by itself, but I want some spice to it. And I'm not going to add red pepper. I'm going to add some of this Uncle Buck's hot and spicy chicken fry mix. I'm just going to mix a little of this into the Kentucky Kernel. Make it taste even better. I'll be using my breader shaker bowl. I prefer to use this rather than a Ziploc bag that I used to use. So it comes in 3 parts: the lid, the little cage thingy, and the bowl. So you just put the breading in here. So that's what I'm going to do now while I'm preheating my air fryer. Pull it out from the wall, and this is sitting on a roller countertop tray, and I'll put the link for this in the description box. I'll put it on preheat. So I'm going to put a little of this. This is how this looks. Nice and red, so you know it's spicy. Ooh, it smells spicy. That's how that looks. And this is good by itself, but it's very, very spicy. If you like really spicy, then use this by itself. I also have the original, and you can mix the original with this, but I'm using the Kentucky Kernel. I've already used this several times. I never pour it all in here. Just what I think I'll use. And if I don't have enough, I'll just add more. This is really good. It up in here. Like I said, the chicken wings have already been washed, cut, marinated, seasoned, and vacuum sealed and frozen. So I'm just going to put these in here. This is 3 wings. It's cut into pieces. Read it quite nicely. So I'm ready to put this in here now. Turn it off. Shake the batter off, the excess. It'll cook more than this. But Walter ain't never ready to eat when I'm fixing food. Might as well go and fix it all now. Might as well. Anytime marinated food has been vacuum sealed, then the food is extra seasoned because the marinade is infused into the food. Makes it taste better. Throw this away. Wash my hands. So I didn't plan on fixing both. Might as well get through with it. Even though Walter knows how to air fry. Okay. Okay. Move that down there. Okay. Okay, I'm going to spritz it with some olive oil. I'm using my Evo oil sprayer. I just keep filling this up with olive oil. You need oil. Now, if the wings were naked with no braiding on it, then you wouldn't need any oil, because the skin on the chicken makes its own oil. Okay, I'm going to set it for the chicken icon. It's 380. No, I'm not. I'm going to set it for 400 degrees like I used to do for 20 minutes. I used to do this. Okay, now. You can either use the preset or you can set your own. 420 minutes, that'll cook some wings. Okay, I will be back. And I don't plan on flipping the wings. That's the one good thing I love about the Cosori air fryer. I don't have to flip the wings. Okay, y'all, my air fryer is getting ready to, oh, it just stopped. It was getting ready to stop. It was on the 1, so it stopped. All right. That's what I like about this rolling countertop tray. Push it back. Yep, it's done. I didn't have to flip my wings at all. We're going to see the other side. Let's see. They need to be flipped. I like the flats. That's how this looks. I don't want none of the drumettes. Walter used to didn't like the wing at all. And he didn't like the flats until I was having a fit over him. So now he likes the flats. But he gonna like the drumettes today. I'm gonna show y'all how this how the cleanup is in here. Very easy cleanup. That's another thing I love about the Cosori air fryer. I have several different brands of air fryers, but I love my Cosori the best, even though they all cook good, but they don't all clean up the same. Very easy cleanup. So I'm just going to clean this later. Unplug my appliances. So let me show y'all my air fryer chicken. Look at that. And anybody can do it. Let me take okay, it's my thumbnail. My air fryer chicken wings. Look at that. Nice and golden brown. I guess y'all want to see me taste a piece. To see how that mixture tastes. Just a minute. Okay. Taste a piece. Notice I didn't flip the chicken. It's brown on both sides. It's hot, piping hot. Nice and crispy. Ooh, I can't bite this. I'll just pull some off. Woo. I want y'all to hear the crispiness. Woo. Mmm. The mixture of the Kentucky Kernel and the Uncle Buck's hot and spicy is good. It's still spicy, but it's not too spicy. It's good and done. It's some good eating, y'all. I don't even need hot sauce. Don't need no ketchup. Don't need no barbecue sauce. Don't need nothing but a good letting alone. See, I got all the flats. I fixed it. So it's mine. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the evening. It's a little after 5 o'clock here, p.m. Okay, bye. Bon appetit.